The contemporary tiny house on wheels thou movement represents a pivotal shift away from merely making spaces smaller. Instead, focusing on radically enhancing one's overall quality of life by engineering a personal haven of profound serenity and focused wellness that possesses the revolutionary ability to travel. Any comprehensive exploration of these health-centric mobile residences immediately reveals a structure that has been rigorously designed, extending far beyond basic habitability to actively promote both mental clarity and physical vitality. This fundamental intention begins right at the construction stage, demanding an uncompromising dedication to sustainable and non-toxic construction methodologies. Every material choice, from the structural framework of natural wood to the application of low-volatile organic compound, VOC paints, and the use of natural fiber insulation, represents a conscious and critical decision to guarantee a pristine internal atmosphere, thereby substantially mitigating exposure to the myriad of environmental contaminants found in conventional housing. This foundational commitment to clean air purity is the single most essential element of the wellness-oriented tiny house, effectively creating a perpetually restorative microclimate that vigorously supports respiratory function and shields inhabitants from the systemic environmental pressures common in larger site-built dwellings. Upon entering one of these meticulously designed mobile dwellings, a palpable sense of unhurried peace and sophisticated simplicity immediately defines the experience. Expert designers masterfully manipulate the inherent spatial constraints to maximize natural illumination and deepen the sensory connection with the exterior world, often through the installation of oversized panoramic windows that flood the interior with life-affirming lights and frame the ever-changing landscape as dynamic artwork. The aesthetic is heavily influenced by a biophilic philosophy, employing rich, organic textures and comforting, warm wood species that are empirically known to reduce physiological stress and foster emotional equilibrium. Functionality in these spaces is frequently taken to a sophisticated level, incorporating specialized amenities that prioritize self-care. This may include adaptable, open floor plans that allow for a dedicated yoga or movement practice, advanced multi-stage water filtration systems for superior hydration, or the luxury of an integrated compact sauna or deep soaking tub. This core design imperative dictates that every centimeter must serve a dual purpose, either meeting a practical need or facilitating an act of personal enrichment, thereby seamlessly weaving practices of holistic relaxation and continuous self-improvement into the very fabric of daily existence. Beyond the tangible structure itself, the genuine transformative power of the life-on-the-move capability is arguably the most significant accelerator of personal well-being. The profound financial independence that results from successfully shedding the burden of decades-long mortgage payments instantly liberates a massive amount of mental and emotional energy.